Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. Today is a very special day for us. Now our channel has more than 700 subscribers. So today we are going to unbox a very special gift. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, so now let's check for the surprise gift. Guys, this is the surprise gift. It's a die-cast Ford Bronco made by Detsky. Oh wow, guys, just look at it. So cute, right? This product comes with a durable outer body, free wheels, printed body graphics, operable doors, smooth shape, and non-electric. This comes in a 1:24 scale and a realistic interior. So now let's unbox this Bronco.
2,000 years later.
Guys, Detsky Bronco built for adventures. This is a die-cast model. It comes in black, dark green, red and yellow colors. And now let's unbox it. Wow. And now let's remove the screws. Now let's take out the product. Guys, here's the product. A die-cast 1:18 scale model of Ford Bronco. This is the 3-door version of Bronco. Guys, just check at the detailing of the body. The paint job, the grille, the lights, the tires, wow, and the alloys. Guys, this is made by Detsky, Dactoy Industries, scale 1/24, made in India. Just look at the axle and motor and all. Even the bottom is well detailed. Now, this scale model comes with two openable front doors. And also, just look at the interior. A well detailed one. Guys, this scale model comes with freely rolling wheels. Also, it's very smooth. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Now let's take this die-cast Ford Bronco for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Guys, I need your support to reach 1K subscribers. Okay? Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.